Hi guys, my name is Raheli, and today I'm going to be doing not another slime review. I'm going to be doing to see so I could do that, and this thing works. So you guys can hear a fart. That was a big fart. Well, anyways, you guys, I'm going to be seeing if slime can do that. Now we're going to see how big this slime could stretch. See if it stretch long. We're going to see if it can stretch long first. And this is the slime that I used for my slime review, my other slime review. This is the slime I was using. Now I'm using for this one. It's like, hey, maybe if I did a slime review, maybe now I could do something different. And I created it and forgot to film this video. Well, anyways, now let's see how big it could stretch. Well, guys, that's really big, but you guys cannot really see it, because like you guys can only see half of it. But it keeps going, like, yeah. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys. Now I'm gonna be seeing how big it could stretch. Like you guys can see what I'm talking about now. Make it come on, guys, make it stretchable. Whoa, airline or something. Well, that's how big it is. Now we're gonna see how much sound, if it can make, how last it can make go sound. See see how big. See, because it's totally fine. Those are big sounds. Now, let's see if I stretch it long. Whoa, this is cool slime though. Now, thanks for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe and bye.